Diabetes management is largely influenced by diet, and understanding how specific foods affect blood sugar is crucial. Vegetables are generally seen as healthy, but some can significantly impact blood sugar levels, especially for diabetics. The following vegetables, while nutritious, need to be eaten in moderation or paired with lower glycemic options due to their carbohydrate content, glycemic index, and potential effects on insulin resistance. 1. Corn. 1. Glycemic impact. Corn is high in starch, a form of carbohydrate that breaks down quickly into glucose, leading to rapid blood sugar spikes. 1. When blood sugar levels rise quickly, the body releases insulin to help bring them back down. 1. For diabetics, frequent spikes can lead to insulin resistance, where the body's cells no longer respond efficiently to insulin, making blood sugar management more difficult. 2. Why it's problematic. The lack of fiber in corn also contributes to its fast digestion and absorption, which exacerbates the rapid glucose increase. 2. Diabetics should consume corn in small portions or pair it with high fiber, low glycemic vegetables to balance its effect on blood sugar. 2. Potatoes. 1. Glycemic impact. Potatoes, like corn, are high in starch and low in fiber. 1. Starch is a carbohydrate that rapidly converts to glucose, triggering a quick blood sugar increase. 1. When potatoes are consumed in large quantities, they cause significant fluctuations in blood sugar levels. 1. This is particularly harmful for diabetics, as the pancreas is forced to produce more insulin to manage the surge in glucose. 2. Why it's problematic. Over time, this can contribute to insulin resistance, making it harder for diabetics to maintain blood sugar control. 2. Cooking methods like frying can make potatoes even worse, as they may reduce the fiber content and increase their glycemic index. 2. Diabetics should avoid large portions of potatoes or replace them with lower carb, fiber-rich alternatives like sweet potatoes or non-starchy vegetables. 3. Carrots. 1. Glycemic impact. Carrots are often seen as a healthy option, but they have a higher glycemic index, GI, compared to some other vegetables. 1. The glycemic index measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels after consumption. 1. Carrots, while nutritious, contain natural sugars that can be quickly absorbed, causing a rise in blood sugar. 2. Why it's problematic. Although carrots provide essential vitamins like beta-carotene, excessive consumption can lead to blood sugar spikes, particularly for those with insulin resistance. 2. To mitigate this, diabetics should practice portion control when consuming carrots. 2. Pairing them with lower GI, fiber-rich foods like leafy greens can help manage their glycemic effect. 4. Peas. 1. Glycemic impact. Peas are often considered a healthy vegetable, offering fiber and vitamins. 1. However, they contain a moderate amount of carbohydrates, which can lead to glucose spikes when consumed in large portions. 1. The starch in peas breaks down quickly into sugar, raising blood glucose levels. 2. Why it's problematic. The rapid digestion and glucose absorption in peas can create challenges for diabetics trying to stabilize their blood sugar levels. 2. Although they're a good source of plant-based protein and fiber, diabetics should limit their intake of peas or balance them with lower-carb vegetables such as spinach or broccoli to prevent excessive blood sugar increases. 5. Beets. 1. Glycemic impact. Beets are high in natural sugars, which can elevate blood glucose levels. 1. While they are a good source of vitamins and antioxidants, their glycemic index is moderate, meaning they can cause a significant rise in blood sugar if eaten in large quantities. 2. Why it's problematic. Diabetics may experience insulin resistance if beets are consumed too frequently, as the sugar content can add up. 2. However, beets do provide cardiovascular benefits and can help lower blood pressure due to their high nitrate content. 2. For diabetics, moderation is key. Enjoying small amounts of beets in combination with low GI vegetables can help minimize their impact on blood sugar. 6. Pumpkin. 1. Glycemic impact. Pumpkin is rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, but it has a high glycemic index, which means it can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels when consumed in large portions. 1. The sugar content in pumpkin, though natural, can still contribute to glucose spikes if not carefully portioned. 2. Why it's problematic. While pumpkin offers many health benefits, its glycemic index can make it problematic for diabetics, especially if they consume large servings. 2. Pairing pumpkin with high-fiber, low-GI vegetables like kale or zucchini can help reduce its effect on blood sugar. 2. Smaller portions of pumpkin also allow diabetics to enjoy its nutritional benefits without compromising glucose control. Key takeaways for diabetics. 1. Portion control is crucial. Many of these vegetables are high in carbohydrates, which can quickly turn into sugar in the bloodstream. 1. Eating them in moderation and being mindful of portion sizes helps prevent blood sugar spikes. 2. Pairing with fiber-rich foods. To balance out the glycemic impact of high-carb vegetables, pairing them with fiber-rich, low glycemic index vegetables, like leafy greens, cucumbers, or bell peppers, helps slow down carbohydrate digestion and prevent rapid glucose absorption. 3. Understanding the glycemic index. The glycemic index is an essential tool for diabetics. 3. Low GI foods cause a gradual increase in blood sugar, whereas high GI foods cause rapid spikes. 3. Vegetables with lower glycemic indexes, such as leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables, should be prioritized to maintain stable blood sugar levels. While vegetables are an essential part of any healthy diet, diabetics must be cautious about the types of vegetables they consume, particularly those with higher carbohydrate content and glycemic indices. By understanding how these vegetables affect blood sugar levels, practicing moderation, and combining them with fiber-rich, low GI foods, diabetics can manage their blood sugar effectively while still enjoying a varied and nutritious diet. Regularly consulting with healthcare professionals and dietitians can also provide personalized guidance tailored to individual